In this tip, we'll see how to count frequency of items. First, we'll see a solution using the get method, and then we'll see a solution using the collections module. Suppose you have a dictionary like this. There are two keys, apple and fig. If I try to access a key which does not exist, for example banana, I'll get the key error. If you don't want this error, one of the ways is to get a default value. So instead of key error, we'll now get the default value of 0. We can make use of this fact to count frequency of items. So let's see an example. Suppose I have a list of vehicles and I want to count how many times each of these vehicles are present in this list. So let's declare the empty dictionary. Let's iterate over the list, and we need to increment each of these items. So we can use the get method, assign a 0 default, and then add 1 each time this vehicle is seen. So let's look at the output. So car is present 3 times, bike is present 2 times, and so on. Instead of manually counting these items, we can use the built-in collections module. So from collections, we can import counter, and we just need to pass the list. Let me give one more example. This time I'll pass a string. The string is made up of characters, and you will get the frequency of the characters present in the string. Hope you enjoyed this tip.